When fires erupt, fast evacuation is imperative. At Johnson Controls, we've created a suite of products to meet the new fire evacuation product standards. Introducing the Vigilant QE20 Grade 1, TGen2 Grade 2 Emergency Warning System, and Grade 3 Building Occupant Warning System. When a Grade 3 BOWS is installed in a suitable building, as classified in the National Construction Code, and a fire occurs, an evacuate signal is sent to the entire building to quickly evacuate everyone at once. For buildings under 25 metres, a Grade 2 EWS can be utilised in appropriately classed buildings. The Vigilant TGen2 Grade 2 EWS can provide an optional alert signal to warn occupants, followed by an evacuate signal. The TGen2 is capable of providing up to 20 zones of phased alert and/or evacuate signals to safely evacuate larger buildings, area by area. For a building larger than 25 metres, or multiple buildings such as shopping centres, airports or campuses, the Vigilant QE20 Grade 1 Emergency Warning System is the ideal solution. The QE20 Grade 1 system can be networked to multiple buildings, each incorporating complex cascade functions and multiple messages to inform occupants of various dangers and initiate evacuation. QE20 Grade 1 is also capable of providing dedicated emergency telephone communications between the main EWS and fire warden intercommunication points, or WIPs, in each area of a building. Common features of TGen2 EWS include 60-watt and 120-watt D-class amplifiers with onboard programming and diagnostic tools. Grade 2 4-way switching modules for phased alert and evacuation signals. Grade 1, 2 and 3 systems can incorporate a 4-way 100-volt splitter module in each zone for independent isolated outputs, and the ability to add several splitter or switching modules to each amplifier output. The QE20 or TGen can provide programmable pre-recorded evacuate messages.
Emergency, evacuate now.
User programmable buttons for local warning, building lockdown, evacuate drill messages.
Evacuate as directed.
And the ability to test the operation of the EWS without activating alert, evacuate sounds, or strobes throughout the entire building. There is also a silent warning to deactivate warning signals or strobes, and the system also allows manual controls of the zone alert and evacuate buttons. Complies with AS 4428.16 Grade 1, Grade 2 or 3 emergency warning systems, and AS 4428.4 emergency intercom systems. All components of the Vigilant TGen2 Grade 3, Grade 2 and QE20 Grade 1 EWS are active fire and FPANZ listed and can be installed as part of a fire panel or in its own cabinet with its own power supply. The Vigilant Emergency Warning System range is powerful and flexible and designed to suit many different building applications. So don't let fire play with human life. Get in touch to know more about our emergency warning systems.